All right. Shall I go? Shall I just hit it? All right. I'm going to go for this real quick. Johor is already, I mean, we should basically have just done a combined talk, I think. Like we're totally doing the same thing. And maybe we'll set up our posters next to each other, I was thinking. Generating mechanics is interesting. You just saw why. But here's the thing. Often when we build AGD systems, we build them for very bespoke research environments. So I had this question on my mind for like a decade of what would it actually mean to integrate some of these with real games that we hadn't seen before. My answer is this system called Pixie. Pixie is a Unity plugin that attaches to code bases that we've never seen before. All the examples in the paper are games someone else wrote. That was really, really important for me. We use something called annotations, which means people can very easily tell Pixie which parts of its game it is allowed to edit and which parts it isn't. Um, it has a bunch of different testing scenarios. So if you want, you can write an automated player to play your game. But if that's too complicated, we got this example with a golf game where we basically just push two buttons on a keyboard when it wants to test a new mechanic. It doesn't need an auto player. And then it can solve these little design challenges. So you can say, look, please make breakout easier for the player, maximize their score, invent some new mechanic. And maybe it comes up with a mechanic that when the ball bounces, it bounces a second time, which means it keeps traveling in the same direction. And this was cool because this is a mechanic in breakout. This is like a power up you can get. So I really like the fact that it invented this one. So for me, this is like a different way of thinking about how could AGD research be applied to real games that no one's ever seen before, or that the researcher hasn't seen before, and how do we like make it so that it's usable and accessible? Come and see the poster for this one. But yeah, I've got some more videos I can talk to you and explain what's going on in each one and what the power-ups it invented were. Maybe I'll try and set up near to Johor so that we can both talk about mechanic generation and stuff. And that's me. That's me, I think. All right, good.